I'm Vittoria Lattanzio and I'm the owner of Panzerotti Bites with my husband, Pasquale. So Panzerotto is a specialty food from Puglia, which is the heel of the boot of Italy. Panzerotti is very similar to a calzone, but it is different because of the dough. The dough is very light, it's highly digestible, so you can eat more. Instead of just eating one calzone, you can try different panzerotti. And we fry panzerotti because this is the traditional way that people eat and prepare panzerotti, but even if it is fried, it is not greasy nor oily, and we import a lot of ingredients from Puglia or from Italy to make the authentic panzerotti here in New York. Panzerotti is a street food, so you must eat with your hands, paying attention not to make a mess on your clothes, because sometimes the mozzarella and the tomato sauce can fall, so you should eat like this or like this, bite after bite. So to make panzerotti, you can roll down the dough, and then you can add some sweet or savory ingredients, then you fold it up and then you can fry it. The panzerotti dough is very similar to the pizza dough. It's made of extra virgin olive oil, salt, the water, fresh yeast, and the 00 flour that we import from Italy. We prepare the dough in the dough mixer, and then we can cut small pieces, weigh them, and then make a little ball with our hands, and then we move them to the refrigerator for 48 hours. Everyone from Puglia or from Italy knows the classic panzerotti. So to prepare a classic panzerotto, you have to roll down the dough, put some fresh mozzarella, a little bit of tomato sauce, and then a little bit of oregano. And then you can close the panzerotto in a half moon shape, and with your hands you can close the borders, and then you can fry it. Here in New York, we are also offering a new version of panzerotti, which is called gourmet panzerotto. So the difference is that the gourmet is fried empty, and then afterwards we cut in half and put some fresh ingredients. So it will look like a sandwich, and we customize the panzerotto with an iron. So you can always recognize that that is a panzerotto from Panzerotti Bites. Panzerotti means a lot for Puglian people. It is part of our life, of our story. So for us, even if it is very similar in the shape of an empanada or a calzone or dumpling, panzerotti is a unique food. It can't be compared to anything else.